Over the past few months, I've spent over 100 hours researching every corner of the internet to find the most lucrative and genuine side hustles that exist. I have read every article on side hustles, used almost all the side hustle sites and apps that exist, and I've also watched almost every single side hustle video on YouTube. I must say that this is the most stressful thing I've ever done. So trust me when I say that these side hustles I'm about to show you can literally change your life if you start doing them right now. During these 100 hours, I found some side hustles that are just scams and will only waste your time. I also found some that are average and only earn you a couple of dollars, and I found some side hustles that are absolute gold mines and have the potential to generate at least over $50,000 every single month, all without you having to leave the comfort of your room. So in this video, I am going to take you through the best side hustles I found. I'll be showing you how you can start these side hustles, the things you would need and how much money it can bring into your pocket, and many other tips. So stay tuned because this video is $1 million worth of free information. I have undergone extreme mental stress in the past few months just for you guys. So please click on that subscribe button and let's dive right in. On my hunt, the very first side hustle I stumbled upon was Etsy store ideas. Now, this particular side hustle has become very popular and it is turning people into millionaires. In fact, there are stores which are making from just a couple of $1,000s to millions of dollars. Basically, what these Etsy stores do is that they find a specific type of product which people are in need of, and they go ahead to create these products, list them on an e-commerce site called Etsy. Now, these products could be anything from wall art, Notion templates, or website theme pages, all the way to basic stickers. The products you can sell on these Etsy stores are endless, so the possibility of you making your first $1,000 in just a couple of weeks is very high. Now, how do we even start an Etsy store? To start, you will need an account on Etsy. The link to their website will be in the description box of this video. So after you create your account, of course, you will need a product to sell. As I said earlier in this video, there are many niches you can start selling, but the best and the ones that tend to attract more buyers faster are wall art, digital templates, food stickers, and even puzzles for kids. So you may be thinking, but how can I create all of these products myself? Well, you don't have to do it yourself. You see, with the rise of AI in our current generation, starting an online business has become very easy and can be done within a few minutes. So you can use AI tools to do basically all the product creation process. So let's say you want to start selling wall art. You can use an AI image generator like Midjourney to generate your art, but as we know, Midjourney is a paid tool and it is a bit complicated to use. So a free alternative is Leonardo AI. This tool is very powerful and can generate anything you ask it to generate. Now, after generating, there are two ways you can sell them, and this by selling them digitally as a file, which buyers can download, or you can print them out and ship it to your buyers. But even with that, you can use print-on-demand sites like Shopify. Shopify will print, package, and ship your products to buyers without you having to touch a single product. So it is very easy to start. And since we will be using an AI image generator and Shopify, our profit margins will be very high and can range from about 70% to 90%. It is a very lucrative venture and can change your life. So if it sounds good to you, then start it now. Now, if you have just a little bit of knowledge on things such as photo or video editing, or maybe you had good grades in science or maths, or you can speak a language people would love to learn, or maybe you are a good cook. What I'm trying to say is that if you know anything or have any skill, then this website called Winzat is your best friend to making tons of dollars just with your laptop and from the comfort of your home. You see, Winzat is the nation's largest network of online tutors, and you can make significant amounts of money just by teaching people the basic skills that you have. Basic things such as Photoshop or how to play a guitar are all paying up to $100 per hour. So this means if you are able to work for 8 hours in a day, you can earn $800 every single day without leaving your house. For example, this tutor right here charges $150 per hour and has over 9,216 tutoring hours. So if we do a quick math and multiply his hourly rate with the number of tutoring hours he has, then this means he has earned over $1.3 million just by teaching other people how to use Microsoft Word. This person also has over 13,000 tutoring hours just teaching preschoolers how to read basic things at $70 per hour. This means they've almost earned $1 million. You can also do the same by teaching subjects like music or even offer cooking lessons and make anywhere from $35 to $400 per hour. Teaching takes place in an online classroom like Zoom. The payments are made immediately. Your hours have been verified. This is truly a revolutionary side hustle which can make you anywhere from $1,000 upwards to $1 million per month. That sounds unrealistic, I know, but it is very possible to do. This is something you can choose to do as a side hustle or even as a full-time hustle. Now, unless you live under an alien invasion or under a rock in the desert, then I'm sure you have heard about ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been a groundbreaking AI tool that has been helping people in content creation, performing daily tasks. It has taught many people how to do things they would have never been able to do. But after all these goodies, there is still one problem which still persists, and this is how to use it. And this leads us into our next side hustle, which is selling ChatGPT prompts. But before we go much deeper, please click on that subscribe button and also like this video. Now, you see, in order to use this AI tool, you have to to use something called prompts. This is like the language that it understands, and based on the prompt you give to it, then it will give you the results you need. But many people do not know how to write these prompts, so they buy them. And this is where you come in. You see, with a website like PromptBase, you can start selling these types of prompts yourself and start earning huge sums of money. You can sell ChatGPT prompts for almost anything, from real estate, content creation, prompts for teachers, for businesses, social media marketing, and the list goes on and on. It also has super low competition, so you don't have to worry about market saturation. Now, you may be saying, but I'm the one who needs to buy these prompts myself because I don't even know anything about these prompts. Well, the secret is that ChatGPT itself can do everything for you. And although people can do this, they are still willing to pay for anything that will make their life convenient for them and also focus on other things. So you can go to ChatGPT, ask it for prompts for a specific type of prompts you want, and it will do that for you. You can then go on to PromptBase and list these prompts for people to buy. Another good thing is that PromptBase is not meant for only ChatGPT prompts, but a whole lot of prompts for other AI tools, like Midjourney or even Leonardo AI. This is something you can easily scale up to tens of thousands of dollars every single month. And this is an example of someone who has made over $100,000 in the last 5 months just by selling these prompts. Again, it is easy and free to start. So if you would want to see a full tutorial on how to start doing it, then let me know in the comment section. So moving on, the next side hustle I discovered was selling phone cases. Phone cases are hot prospects when it comes to making money online, and they have sold thousands of copies and still continue to bring in thousands of dollars into the pockets of people who are selling them. But making these types of phone cases that sell in high amounts has become a skill that only a few people have, and that has been until now. The emerging of AI tools and automation software has made everything easier in such a way that even 14-year-olds can start creating them. The process of creating them is very simple. You start by researching the types of designs that are trending and in very high demand in order to avoid wasting your time and failing. Then, you'll use an AI tool like the ones I mentioned earlier in the video to generate the images and place them on the phone cases. After that, you'll use an automation software like Printify to print, package, and ship out these phone cases to buyers without you ever having to touch them. Then you will finally list them online on a site like Etsy where customers can view and buy them. This side hustle is making people life-changing money, as you can see, and it can also do the same thing for you. You can even sell customized phone cases with the names of people on them. So the buyer tells you what kind of message they want on the phone case, and you then go ahead and make it for them. Now, if you go for this type where you make customized phone cases, then you won't be able to use AI tools, but it's still easy to create, and you can do that with a platform called Photopea. This is a free alternative to Adobe Photoshop, and it has the same features as Adobe Photoshop. So it is very profitable, and it can change your life only if you act fast and jump on it. Keep in mind that this opportunity will not last forever, so hurry up and make as much money as you can before you get left behind. Ladies and gentlemen, this side hustle is probably the most lucrative one and also the most interesting one so far on this list, and that is starting a YouTube channel. This side hustle, in my opinion, is one that anyone, anywhere can start and become a millionaire off of. Starting a YouTube channel comes with many opportunities, such as learning new things, networking with different people, and on top of all that, you can make money doing what you love. Now, even if you can't start a YouTube channel because you are scared of sitting in front of the camera and talking, then don't worry, because the idea of making faceless YouTube videos has recently been blowing up, and new channels are breaking through every now and then. So if you have any value or you want to entertain people and make money, then you can easily do that. One tip I want to give you is that when you start a YouTube channel, focus on the value you provide to your audience instead of putting the money first. Of course, making cash is important, but your audience has to watch your videos and engage before you can start making money. Also, YouTube is not a saturated platform. I hear many people saying this. The best time to start a YouTube channel was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now, so it is never saturated. You just have to be unique, do the right thing, and you'll grow eventually over time. Now, if you want to know exactly how you can create a faceless YouTube channel step by step with free tools, then click on this video right here. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.